Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on the quick panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the battery icon with the leaf on it. This is the battery saver icon, and you can tap on it and then tap on the check mark to confirm to enable the power saving mode. You will see the message power saving mode on, the icon will get highlighted, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And to disable the power saving mode, you open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, you will see the message power saving mode off, and the icon will go back to the gray color, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, of course. You can also do this through the settings, so if you open the menu by pressing the crown button, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings you find the option called battery and select it, and here we have the power saving mode option. You can tap on it and you have enable now, so if you tap on the switch it will turn it on now and keep it enabled until you disable it. But you can also turn on the option to enable the power saving mode when the battery is low. So when the battery is lower than 20%, it will automatically turn on the power saving mode. Another thing you can do is to go back to battery, and here we have power saving settings, and you can basically change the behavior of the power saving mode, and you can enable or disable some features during the power saving mode. So if the mode is enabled and you, for example, enable rise to wake, it will I believe it will they be on or off if they're enabled? I'm not sure. Oh, disabling. Okay, so if you enable them, I believe they will be on when the power saving mode is enabled, and if you disable them, the features will be off, which will save you more power. Okay, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.